So today we are going to be sampling some stone fruit. We have a peach, 3 different types of plums. We have a black plum, a red plum, and I think I've had those first 2 before, but I have never had a yellow plum as far as I know. And then finally we have a yellow nectarine, which I am sure that I've had, but it's been a long time because I can't place the taste. All of these are common to lots of people, but I wanted to kind of analyze the differences because they're all related. I want to try and get granular on what's similar versus what's different. So we're going to start with the peach. This was billed as a yellow peach. And I'm going to be saving all the pits from these and attempting to grow them. It's not going to be that easy to get out.
No, we gotta.
I'll wait.
Okay, well, you can.
Yep, smells like a peach.
Here you
It's actually pretty generic. Generic peach.
go. Let's get basics.
Mm-hmm. I've had better peaches. But yeah, it's a bit floral.
It's a peach.
Yeah, most people have had peaches. You don't want it?
I don't like peaches.
I forgot.
Doing this for you.
Do you like plums?
I do.
All right, it's good that we're getting this out of the way then.
I'm waiting for the black plum. What black plums? They're the best.
You want to have that one next?
I don't have that one. Yep, best for last.
All right. So you want to do the red plum?
Yeah. Get freshness.
The peach was a bit stiff, so maybe this could have more ripening. Got it?
There you go. You got your pit.
So immediately I can tell that the pits look very different. Or stones, that's why they're called stone fruits. They're super different.
Get all the dirt off of this.
Huh.
I cut that for you.
Oh, well, okay. Oh. That's really good. So, I mean, plum is its own description, but if you'd never had a plum before, I would say
The chunkier grape.
yeah, that's like a huge grape. I was gonna say like some apple and maybe pear, but
Yeah, it's like a chunkier grape, but it tastes like apple.
yeah. So what do you think is similar between it and the peach?
Even besides the pits
Not actually a lot.
and their coloring, they're just reversed.
No, It was delicious.
Peaches are usually sweeter.
Mm-hmm.
The plums are juicier.
It was very juicy. You could see it like glistening.
That's why I like it. I think the best thing to do is like get like a really big plum and just have all the juice just make a mess. It's the best thing ever.
Let me go back for this peach and see.
Go back to your basic peach.
Yeah,
Maybe we just didn't get a good peach, but
it's possible.
I'm also biased because I don't like peaches.
It is lacking in some of the peach flavor that I'm used to.
It still smells good though.
Yeah. Well, you want the black plum last.
Yeah, that's what I want. But what do you want to have next?
Why don't we do the yellow plum next?
Okay. I'll just put you
So let me show this one on camera.
here. Okay.
It's very cute looking. It has a little tip on it. And I don't think I've seen that before. I like it. I'm pretty sure I've never tasted the yellow plum before, so this will be different.
I can't remember if I've had a yellow plum. Get out.
Yeah. You got it.
Got 'em, boys.
Okay. So it's not as firm. It's like a little bit more plushy.
Yeah.
Still just as juicy as the red plum.
It's more texture than flavor.
Yeah, it's a very light flavor. I think that's kind of what I was expecting. It's good. Yeah. I think if I had to choose from one, I would choose the red. But I would like to just have both.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
So let's do the black one. And this one is a little bit overripe, it looks like.
So I'm still gonna love it.
Well, that might mean that it's perfect. Getting a little stronger scent in this one.
Another good one is the black plums that also have like the reddish flesh in the middle. So it's great.
Do you know what those ones are called?
There's a plum.
And this one does seem to be riper than the rest.
Mm-hmm.
Still just as juicy. I feel like my favorite might be the red. They're similar enough, but I feel like there was a little bit of taste in the red that was like pushing it further for me.
Yeah, because the more color it has, the more flavor it will have.
That makes sense.
Now,
Probably why the yellow didn't have a lot of flavor.
Yeah. Now I want goat cheese.
Goat cheese?
Yeah, I want to eat this with goat cheese. Crackers. Pretend to be fancy.
last we have the yellow nectarine. And like I said, I've had nectarines, but I can't place the taste. It's been so long. And I've had nectarine flavored stuff, for sure.
I want you open. I can't do it.
Giving up? I can't do it either.
What are you giving up? You want to just take bites out of it?
I can get it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, so this one.
It's all pit.
Yeah. So the plum pits were small, and the peach pits are large. But the nectarine, even though it's a small fruit, also has a large pit. So that's interesting. The question is, can we get it out of that side?
Without hurting my wrist. My wrist really hurts.
I wonder if.
I'll just eat around it.
Okay.
I will get it out when it gets out. Oh yeah, I forgot I don't like the side of it.
Oh. So it's kind of a. Just immediately I'm getting hit with like cantaloupe.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's like if cantaloupe and peach had a child.
Evil child.
An evil child.
This is like if Dr. Evil was a fruit.
I think it's underripe. And I think that might be why the seed is holding on so much. Because I'm picking up on some flavors that could be stronger. You're tapping out.
I'm picking up on flavors that I don't want to be stronger.
Fair enough. We have more plum. So the plums are clearly the stone fruit winners for this video.
I knew I disliked peaches. I forgot I did not like nectarines. I don't know why.
I think we didn't have all these ripe at the same time. But I'm getting enough of the flavor to have a good idea of what's going on here. It is a different texture. This one is more like an apple. Like a
Yeah, texture-wise I like
crisp
it.
skin, like an apple.
Yeah, texture-wise I like it, but taste-wise I'm like, I like you. Oh.
So between the red and the black plum, what do you think?
Today the red plum was definitely better than the black plum.
You got a little. It's still there.
Little schmutz.
Little schmutz.
Yeah, get rid of it.
Don't have to do it on our account. It's
Hey.
just the internet. So that was a little stone fruit sampling.
I sampled it too much, I got some on my face.
Yeah, we're gonna have to find some more and ripen them properly.
We can get some more of the black plums.
Yeah, we like the plums a lot.
But with like the redder and purple.
Yeah, so maybe next time we'll start with some of the ones that we've already had and we like, and then compare that to the new ones we would try. Yeah. And we're also growing donut peaches in the garden. Hopefully,
Never had it.
I've never had it either. Hopefully, we'll have some on the tree later this year. They if you look up pictures of these, they literally look like a donut once you push out the center. So when I heard about that, I was like, okay, I have to get that tree.
Yeah, need it. Sounds cute.
Yeah. So that's just a few stone fruits.